How are you? Today we'll solve from المتميز book revision March question bank. Question number 1 shows the correct answer. Number 1, which of the following is not equivalent or not a conversion factor? What is about not conversion factor? Not conversion factor, it's meaning numerator and numerator not equality. But conversion factor, it's meaning equality between two quantities. Numerator and numerator equality in the results by using different units. Then we have 1 hour over 1 minute, not conversion factor, because 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Then we must choose letter E about question number 1. What is of the following not conversion factor? We must choose 1 hour over 1 minute. It's false. Question number 2, 40% plus 3200th equals space percent. To solve this example, we must add two numbers. We know 3200th, it means 32%. 40% plus 32%. We can add them. 0 plus 2 equals 2 and 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then the result will be 72%. Next question. Number 3. 45 product by 2600th equal 4.5 product by what? We must write here 2.6 because 45 product 26 it's equivalent 45 product by 26, and the point here after two places. Then the result we must put the point after two places. 1 and 1 will be after two places. Okay, the point after two places here, then here after two places 1 and 1 will be after 2. Then the result will be 2.6. Okay, write 2.6 in the space. Question number 3. Number 4. X over 3 equal 20%. 20%, it's meaning what? It's meaning 20 over 100. You want to find the value of x. To find the value of x, you can cancel 0 by 0 by divided by 10 numerator and numerator, and then the value of x equal 2 product by 3 over 10. 2 times 3 over 10 will be 6 over 10 will be 6 tenths. The result will be 6 tenths. Okay, 6 tenths. Question here number 5. The point where lies in the first quadrant or second quadrant, it's first, second, third, fourth. You want to find the point lies in the second quadrant. The sign here will be negative and positive, negative and positive. Okay, x will be negative and y positive, where we must choose negative 2 and 1, negative and positive. Okay, the sign of the first projection to be negative, second projection positive, negative and positive lies in the second quadrant. Question here number 6. 30% of 100, it will be space percent of 500. Who can tell me this example? 30%, it's meaning 30 over 100 product by 100. He tell us space percent, it's meaning over 100 of 500. Look at here, 30% of 100 equivalent space over 100 product by 5. We know 5 product by what equals 35 product by 6. Okay, can you cancel 0, 100 by 100 and divided by 100 here, divided by 105, 5 product by 6 equal to 30. Then we must write 60 here. Okay, 30% of 100 equals 60% of 500. You can solve by this method, or you can find the result about first number here. We can write here 30 over 100 of, it's not 100, it's not 1, it's 1000. Okay, so the result will be 60, not 6. 30% of 1000, we can find the result 30 over 100 times 1000, cancel double 0 by double 0, and 30 times 10, it was 300. Okay, the result will be 300. So 300 will be equivalent to space percent of 500. First step, we found the result in left hand side 500. 300 equals space percent of 500. You can write the percent by divided the part 300 by this number was what? Was the whole number. Do you remember? We have here part and here whole number and then percent. If you want to find the percent, you must divide it part by whole number. The part will be 300 divided by percent by divided by whole number 500. It will be 3 over 5, and then 3 over 5 you can convert it to percent. 3 over 5 converted to percent, product by 100 and then divided by 100. 100 divided by 5 equal 20. 20 times 3 equal 60. Then the result will be 60%. Okay, it's a very important question. Okay, it's a long method, so we must solve the example by easy method. I prefer to solve by first one step. It's very easy for you. Again, okay, I will solve question 6 again to know the steps. First step, look at with me 30%. It's meaning 30 over 100 product by what? 1000. He asked me equal space percent, it's meaning over 100, okay, of 500. You can cancel double zero by double zero, then the result will be 300. Okay, and then you can cancel double zero by double zero, then 300 equal 5 times what? Times 60. So the result will be 60. Okay, it's the easy method to find the result. Next question, number 7. Moving the point 1 and 5, 2 units to the right and 3 unit down. Okay, right or left, it's meaning e to x, and up and down leading to y. Look at here, moving 2 points to the right, it's meaning x plus 2, and 3 units down, it's meaning negative 3 from y. Down, it's meaning negative, okay? Right, it will be positive in the x, and down, it's meaning negative in the y, okay? So we have the point 1 and 5. We can find the image by moving 2 points to the right. 2 plus 1 equal 3, and 3 units down, 5 minus 3 equal 2. Then the point will be 3 and 2. Next question 8. 20% plus 35%. We can eat them. It will be what? 5 plus 0 equal 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 55%. Then you can convert from percent to decimal number. The result will be 55 hundredths. 55 hundredths. Question number 9. 2.5%. It's 2.5 equals space percent. You can write 2.5, 2.5. Convert from next number to percent. Product by 100 and then divided by 100. Then the result will be 250%. Product by 100 divided by 100, it's meaning the percent, because the percent, it's meaning ratio between two numbers, and second term equal 100. The ratio between two numbers, the second term is 100. Question number 10. 6 to 12 equals space percent, because it will be 50%, because 6 to 12, it's meaning half. Understood? 6 to 12, it's meaning 6 over 12, it will be half. Half equal 50%. Question 11. Convert from centimeter to meter. You must divide it by 100. 320 divided by 100, cancel 0 by 0, and 32 divided by 10, it will be 3.2. Convert from centimeter to meter, divided by 100. This example, question number 12, he wants using conversion factor to find the result. 4.5 liter product by what? To cancel liter, the result will be 4,500 milliliter. You can cancel liter, write liter down, and the milliliter up. 1 liter equal 1,000 milliliter. You can cancel liter by liter, and 4.5 times 1,000, it will be 4,500 milliliter. So we must write 1,000 milliliter over 1 liter. It's conversion factor. Next question. Which of the following is a unit rate? Unit rate, it's meaning comparing between two different units, and second term equal 1 unit, such as that 1.5 lira per 1 bottle. Question number 14. If 6 over 14 equal x minus 2 over 7. He wants to find the value of x. We know 7 product by 2 equal 14. Then what is the number product by 2 equal 6? It will be 3. then x minus 2 will be 3. Okay, again 3 over 7 equals 6 over this number. X will be 5 because 5 minus 2 equals 3. Then the value of x, it will be 5. Okay, understood? 2 times 3 equals 6. Then the value of this expression is 3. Then put x 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Question 15. Space gram equal 30 kilogram. To convert it from kilogram to gram, product by 1000, then the result will be 30,000. Question 16. Which of the following is the best pay? The best pay, we have 5 lira per 1 kilogram, or 20 lira per 5 kilogram. 20 divided by 5 equal 4 kilogram. 4 lira for each 1 kilogram. We have here 4 lira per 1 kilogram, and here 20 per 1 kilogram, and here 5 kilogram per 1 lira. It's meaning 5 lira per 1 kilogram. So we must choose letter C, because the price of each one, it will be 4 Egyptian lira per 1 kilogram. Choose letter C. To find the unit rate, you must divide it 20 by 5 equal 4. Then the price of each one, it will be 4 Egyptian lira for 1 kilogram. The price of each 1 kilogram equal 4 Egyptian lira. So you must choose letter C, because 20 divided by 5 equal 4. Question 17. 1 hour over space equal is conversion factor. We write in the numerator 60 minutes. We called it conversion factor. Conversion factor, it's the ratio between two equality amounts. By using different units. Numerator equality, denominator, but we must use different units. Okay, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. It's conversion factor. Next question number 18. To convert from meter to kilometer by using conversion factor, what? Okay, look at with me about question 18. I will explain this method. I want to convert from kilometer to be meter. You must cancel kilometer. Cancel this unit, write kilometer down and the new unit meter up. And then we have 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. Then we can write 1000 meter over 1 kilometer. Choose letter A. Next question number 19. 1/4 equal space percent. We know 1/4 equal 1 and 25 100th, and then you can convert to percent by product by 100 or percent. Move the point right hand side by 2 places, then the result will be 125%. Okay, next question number 20. Mona ate 25% of chocolate, so she ate less than half of chocolate, because half chocolate equal 50%. Then we must write less than. Question 21. We have 50% of 50 kilogram equal space kilogram. 50% meaning the half of 50, it will be 25. Write 25 in the space. It was 50%. Next question 22. The point R is located 5 space to the right and 2 space up from the original point. It will be 5 and 2. It's meaning x plus 5 and y plus 2. Original point was 0 and 0. Then the image will be 0 plus 5 equal 5 and 0 plus 2 equal 2. Then the image will be 0, 5 and 2. Original point was 0 and 0. Okay. Question 23. If the point 0 and 0 move 2 units to the left, it's meaning x minus 2. Moved 2 units to the left, then 2 units downward, it's meaning y minus 2, minus 3. Downward, it's meaning minus 3. Then we must put the point 0 and 0, it's the original point, A and E. And the image will be what? X here equals 0. 0 minus 2 equal minus 2, and 0 minus 3, it will be negative 3. Then the image will be negative 2, and negative 3 lies in the third quadrant. We have first, second, third, and fourth quadrant. The fourth will be here, positive and negative, and third, negative and negative. So it lies in third quadrant. This point lies in the third quadrant. Question 24 is the unit rate of the opposite tab diagram. We can divide it 300 by 6. 300 divided by 6 equal 50. Then the result will be 50 kilometer per hours. 1 hour. Okay. The result will be 50 kilometer per hour. Next question. The part equal 120 and the percent 15, then the whole number equal what? We can find the whole number by dividing the part by the percent. Look at this triangle. We have here the percent, and here the whole number, and here the part. You won't find what? We won't find the whole number equal the part divided the percent. The part here was 120 and the percent was 15%. You can write 120 divided by 15%. You can write 120 divided by 15%, it's mean 15 over 100. And then you can write 120 divided, convert from division to multiplication, write reciprocal about 15 over 100, 100 over 15. 120 divided by 15 equal what? Equal 18. Equal 8, sorry, 8 times 100, it will be 800. So the whole number will be 800. Question 26. 50% of 100 or 100 of 50. 50% meaning the half. Half of 100 it will be 50. And 100% of 50 it will be 1 times 50. It will be 50. So it will be equivalent. Okay, right. Equal to. Question 27. A car consumes 1 over 25 liter of petrol to cover 1 kilometer. Then its cover space kilometer per hour. You can write the reciprocal about 1 over 25, because 1 over 25 it's reversed to liter per kilometer. He won't find kilometer per liter, right? The reciprocal, it will be 25 over 1, it will be 25, right? 25 in speed, right? The reciprocal about 1 over 25. Next question 28. The ratio between two side lengths of the square 1 to 1. We have equality two sides here, 1 and 1. Next question 29. Which of the following points lies on x-axis? Lies on x-axis, it's meaning y equals 0. This point x and 0 lies in x-axis, so we must choose what? Choose 3 and 0 lies in x-axis, it's meaning the y here coordinate equals 0. Next question 30. The point -3 and 0 lies in x-axis because y was 0. Okay, again, if y equals 0, then this point lies in x-axis, -3 and 0 here, this point. Okay, then it lies in what? In x-axis. Next question 31. 50% of 800, it's meaning half of 800, it will be 400. Or 50% of 40, it's meaning half of 40, it will be 200. So 400 greater than 200. Question 32. Which of the following points lies on y-axis? Lies on y-axis, it's meaning x equals 0. Then we must write 0 and 4. Choose it, 0 and 4. Next question 33. We have 2.4 liter product by what? Equal 2400 milliliter. To solve the example, we must convert from liter to milliliter. You must cancel these units. We must cancel the liter. Write liter down to cancel it, and write milliliter up. Okay, and we know 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. We can cancel liter by liter and product 2.4 product by 1000, it will be 2400. So we must write here conversion factor 1000 meter over 1 liter. Choose letter B. Question 34. 30% of space kilogram equal 45 kilogram. Okay, he won't find here the whole number. He give us the part. He give us the part was 45 kilogram, and the percent here was 30%, and you won't find the whole number. We can find the whole number by divided 45 by 30%. You can write 45, reduct reciprocal about 30%, it will be 100 over 30. Write reciprocal about 30%. 30% means 30 over 100. Write reciprocal here and then cancel 0 by 0, and 45 times 10, it will be 450. Okay, the result will be 450. Okay, understood. But we have divided by 3 here. The result will be what? Complete with me here. Complete. 45 times 10, 45 divided by 3, it will be 15, and write 0. The result will be 150. Okay, the result here 150. Next question 35. 60% of 1000 equals 30% of what? We can write 60% of the number 1000, it's meaning 60 over 100 product by 1000, cancel double 0 by double 0, and 60 times 10, it will be 600. Okay, 600 equal 30% of what? Okay, we have here 600, it's the result. It's meaning what? 600 equal 30% of what? What here? It's meaning the whole number. We want to find the whole number. To find the whole number, you must divide it. The part 600 here is the part, okay, and this number is the whole. 30% of what equals 600? You can write the whole number by divided the part by the percent. The whole number will be 600 product by 30%, meaning 30 over 100, right? Reciprocal 100 over 30. And then you can sample it. You can sample this fraction by cancel 0 by 0, and 6 divided by 3 equal to 200 product by 10. The result will be 2000. So the result here will be 2000. Understood? First step, we can find the result by left hand side with 600. 600 equals 30% of what? We can find the whole number by dividing the part by the percent. This result will be 2000. Question 36. 180 kilometer per hour convert to meter per minute. We have 100 kilometer per 1 hour to meter per minute. We have two conversion factor here. Okay, we have two conversion factor. Convert from kilometer per hour to meter per minute. We can cancel 1 hour here, write hour up, and the new units here, minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Cancel hour, write hour up, and write the new minutes here. And you can cancel kilometer, write kilometer down to cancel kilometer by kilometer, and the kilometer equal 1000 meter. And then you can sample it by cancel units, similar units, kilometer by kilometer, and 1 hour by 1 hour. Cancel 0. Cancel here. 60 divided 180 divided by 60 equal 3. 3 times 1000, it will be 3000 meter per 1 minute. Then the result will be 3000. Choose letter C. Question 37. The point A and negative 6 lies in the third quadrant. Then the value of A can be what? Lies in the third quadrant, it's meaning X and Y negative. Okay. Then we have A and the negative 6 lies in the third quadrant. Then the sign here will be negative. Negative what? Negative 3. Since the value of A was negative 3. Question 38. 3 and 4 days equal space hour. 38. We have 3 and 4 days equal space hours. We know 1 day equal 24 hours. Then 3 days, it will be 3 times 24 plus 4 days, 4 product by 24, and then you can eat them. 3 times 24 equals 72 plus 4 of 24, it will be 6. The result will be 78. Result will be 78 hours. Next question 39. If x plus 1 over 8 equal 25%, 25% is make fourth. then x plus 1 over 8, it will be 1 over 4. Then 4 times 2 equal 8. Then 1 times 2 equal 2. Then x plus 1, it will be equal 2. X plus 1 equal 2. Then the value of x equal 1, because 1 plus 1 equal 2. Question 40. We have 8 and 32/105 meter product by 1 meter in the numerator and 100 centimeter. You can cancel meter by meter and product two numbers. It will be 832 centimeter. Which of the following points lies in x-axis? The point lies in x-axis if y equals 0. Then we must choose letter A. We have here 6 and 0 lies in x-axis because y equals 0. Question 42, space percent equals 0.6. Okay, we can convert from decimal to percent by product by 100 all percent. Product by 100, move the point right hand side by 2 places, it will be 60%. 600th or 6/10 convert to percent by product by 100 and divided by 100. Then we must write here 60% equals 0.6. Okay. Next question 4.3. Convert or comparing between 45 seconds and 8 minutes. We know 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Then we have 450 seconds and 8 minutes. You can write 8 product by 60 to convert from minute to second. Write 0. 6 times 8 equal 48. Then it will be less than. Convert from minute to second, product by 60. Then 450 less than 480. Question 44. The point 3 and 1.5 lies in the first quadrant because the sign here positive and positive lies in the first quadrant. Okay, because the sign positive and positive. Next question 47. 120 meter per hour convert to meter per minute. Look at here, we have 120 meter per 1 hour convert to meter per minute. We have one conversion factor, convert to meter per minute, so we must cancel 1 hour. We know 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Then we can write here 1 hour up and 60 minutes down. Okay, to convert from hours to minutes, you can write this conversion factor, and then we can cancel. Okay, we can cancel hour by hour. Okay, and the result will be 120 divided by 60 equal 2. The result will be 2 meter per 1 minute. So the result will be 2. Okay, choose letter C. Question 48. Which of the following represent conversion factor? Conversion factor comparing between two quality amounts by using different units. Numerator equal denominator. We have 10 millimeter equivalent 1 centimeter. We call it conversion factor. Okay, choose letter A. Question 49. 56% or 65/100. We can convert from percent to decimal. Put the point after 2 places. 56%, it's meaning 56/100. So the point here after 2 places, it will be less than 65/100. Is that okay? Next example, complete. Question number 2, complete. Number 1, 25% of its meaning product. Okay, 25% its meaning force. Force product by 200. 200 divided by 4 equal 50. Then the result here will be 50. Okay. Question number 2, 70% of 30 or 30% 70, it will be equivalent because 70% it's meaning 70 over 100. product by 30. And 30% equals 30 over 100 of 70. You can repeat it 70 by 30. Then equivalent. You can replace it 70 times 30. It will be 70 times 30. You can replace it the product. Question number 3. 5% or fifths. 5%, it's meaning what? It's meaning 5 over 100. And we have 5. We can combine between two numbers. Or you can convert fifths here by product by 20 numerator and numerator. Because 20 over 100, it will be 20%. So it is then. Or you can convert this to decimal, 0.015 and here 0.2. As you like, you can solve by any method, okay? So the result here is then. Question number 4, 5% equals space of 10% will be half. Because half of 10, it will be 5. It's very easy, okay? Next question, number 5. 35% is equivalent to 1 subtracted by space percent. We know 1 equal 100%. Subtracted by 35, it will be 65%. Okay? Question number 6. If the price of a toy is 150 Egyptian lira, then 20% of its price, write 20 over 100 product by 150. Cancel 0 by 0 and 0 by 0. 2 times 15 equals 30. So the result here will be 30. Question number 7. The point 3 and 4. The y coordinate here, it will be 4. 4 is the y coordinate and x here is coordinate 3. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, next question is a point here located space units to the y-axis. Okay, he asked about the located about y-axis. Look at